Hey, what's up, traders? So we're running a contest every single month. We pick one winner who comments, likes, and to subscribe to my channel and comments on every video this month. We randomly pick a drawing, and hopefully it's you. Just be sure you like, comment, and are subscribed to this channel, and you'll get free access to our full training academy and everything it is have to offer. Good luck, peace, and enjoy the next video. Hey, what's up, traders? It's Monday, and this is the gold and silver report. And the reason I wanted to start off the week doing this particular video is because the FX market was so choppy today. We definitely caught some good pips, but I do think we are at some pivotal places in gold. And, you know, despite all the the fundamental things going on in the world altogether right now, we can't deny where we are in gold. So this is what I'd like to talk about. And of course, I shared it in the VIP group when I was going in. I definitely caught some pips here myself. And, you know, after a while, the technical analysis will take over, right? So, I mean, we have our fundamentals, and fundamentals are king for sure. And but nonetheless, we're gonna eventually have to see a turnaround, and I think we are far beyond that space, especially when it comes to gold. So let me show you why, and specifically, this is what I keep looking at and just being blown away by, and that's this monthly RSI here. So very rarely do you see RSI on a monthly scale get to these levels, right? So here we are getting up there back in 2010, but still, nonetheless, that didn't stop it from rising higher and higher and higher. So so we got to be careful. One thing I am definitely looking for is divergences, and once I see enough divergences, then that's a good sign for me to start easing my way into a position. So the way I've been trading this today has been very easy. I'm not putting like huge positions on at all. So here we are on the 4-hour, and to me, you know, this looks like great double top potential, right? And so if this was if this was a Forex pair, I would be all over it. Double top, this is happening. But the thing is, it's gold, right? And gold has proven time and time again since this time last year, pretty much when we broke out, that it's in a bullish trend, right? So the thing is, be careful and just try to pin your entries, and just be patient. Let the market come to you. So sell limits, I think, are really good play. Me personally, I got in, let's see, here. So first of all, I've established that, boy, this looks like this could be a potential double top, right? So I've established the structure that I'm looking at. We are above this 78.6% retracement here, which is a big deal. But nonetheless, just look at these higher time frames, monthly, weekly. This weekly divergence cannot be ignored here. You know, so that is definitely a red flag. And then once we zoom in to the 4-hour, which is what I like to look at and what I was looking at today, here we are on the 1-hour. And so this is what I was doing, and what I am doing is using these fractal lines as markers to where, because it's been a choppy day in the market. Hasn't been any real direction, but a lot of choppiness back and forth. So what I'm doing is I'm scalping along the top of this downtrend line, right? So so you got to be patient when you do this. You can't put a sell entry down here at 1768, because then could potentially be in quite a bit of drawdown, right? So 1774 is a great area for a sell limit, and we'll have to see where we go. Like eventually this is going to break. Okay. And so this is the line I'm looking at, the counter line I like to call it, for for the signal that potentially we're going to start seeing the downside. So the opposite side of this is, of course, we have it pretty clearly defined. If we break out above here, then we're definitely headed to 1800. So our risk is clear and defined. It's a lot better defined than it was last week when it was much more range bound. Also here, just on the 30-minute, right? Look at this divergence there. We can go to the 1 hour, divergence here. So just all the way across the board, it's screaming turnaround. So is it going to happen today? Man, probably not. And I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest, to get one more flush to the upside. And then when the drop happens, I think it's going to be a pretty aggressive one. So it'll definitely come back on either, you know, some news from the Fed, potentially a drop in the S&P 500, but there will be some sort of catalyst for us to get there. So on the other hand, here we are in silver. So silver is still looking a lot more bullish, right? So we're at this, I mean, we're pretty much at the top here. So just like gold, we're at a make or break point. So here we are on the 4 hour, right? And this is the little zone we were trading last week. Now, if we go to the daily and zoom out, there's a lot of different scenarios. Actually, let's take it to the weekly, because there was a lot of false breakouts along the way, and these are marked by the fractal points. So if we go lower to say these fractals, right, then we're already at this resistance for the pennant. But you know, I think we still have some room to the upside. But the thing is that the reward doesn't quite outweigh the risk, right? Unless you're just going for quick scalps. You know, there's just not enough room here for us to really, I don't know, to go for this trend line, right? For this, the top of this pennant. So I think what I'm doing at least for silver is waiting for us to either break out here or waiting for the dip to where then I can buy this dip one more time. I think we would go to somewhere around this level and then make another run. Because eventually I do feel like we are going to break out of here, and it's going to be a big deal when it happens. So there's some big moves brewing, and but other than this, in the metals market, it was a super choppy day. So be careful trading out there. Definitely trade small, and especially when it's choppy like this, you know, you gotta let the trades come to you. So hope you found this video entertaining. Hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you'd like to be a part of our group, learn my strategies and learn how I approach the market in the most simplified, at least for me, technical analysis that makes sense, click link below to get started, and we would love to have you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace.